Reliance Compost, based in the heart of the Cape Boerland region, is a world-class certified organic compost producer.
We take care of about 90% of the city's green waste, which we're taking off their hands, and the main benefit from that is that it's not going to landfill. We not only make organically certified compost, but we also register for carbon credits, which we then sell off to other companies to make them carbon neutral.
22 convenient drop-off facilities offer members of the public the option of ecologically disposing of garden refuse. At most facilities, a chipping or grinding machine is used to grind the material down to a coarse pulp. Throughout the day, Reliance trucks visit the sites to collect the chipped material for transportation to the production facility. Trucks are constantly monitored and coordinated on site from the operations room on the farm. Each truck is weighed on arrival and departure, and this information is recorded for quality control. Once the chipped material is offloaded, clay is mixed into the compost to bind it together and to help it retain moisture during the maturation process, which will take approximately 6 to 8 weeks. Temperature readings, as well as carbon dioxide levels, are tested daily to monitor the development of the compost. High-tech turners constantly work through the rows, turning the compost to ensure a balanced maturation.
Compost analysis tests are usually performed after compost is complete to determine the quality. This includes hydrogen chloride, ammonium, the nitrate test, pH in distilled water and potassium chloride, as well as the CREST test.
Once the compost is fully developed, it is taken through the process of screening.
Currently on this screen here to the right of me is it's got 4 conveyor belts, and there are 4 different sizes of compost coming out: 50 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 12 millimeter, or 5 or 3 millimeter, which is a very fine product for different clients' needs.
The screened compost is transported to the bagging area. Packaged compost is delivered to garden centres, nurseries and retailers on a daily basis. Reliance Compost guarantees fruit and vegetable production whilst recycling waste products, improving soil structure, reducing groundwater pollution and reducing CO2 emissions, thereby making a significant contribution to environmental protection and the threat of climate change.